Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best creative AI for brand assets by doing a comparison between Adobe Firefly and Runway. If you're looking for the best creative AI image tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI suite and alternatives to ImagineArt for teams, deeply integrated into Creative Cloud tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects. It's great for professional creative departments and offers AI image generation, generative fill, style transfers, and motion graphics. Like ImagineArt for teams, Firefly also offers enterprise-grade quality. Teams can work with Adobe fonts, Adobe Stock, and Creative Cloud libraries to maintain brand consistency across campaigns. For product marketers, Adobe Firefly helps generate branded content while staying within the Adobe ecosystem. Firefly's pricing makes it more suitable for large enterprises and agencies with big budgets. Adobe Creative Cloud also requires strong design expertise. Non-designers typically find it complex compared to more intuitive platforms like Canva or ImagineArt. Still, for companies already embedded in Adobe's workflow, Firefly is a natural extension that adds speed and creative power. It's a premium solution for teams that demand high control, brand precision, and professional polish in every deliverable. Runway is one of the most advanced AI platforms for video generation and now for editing, and its Gen 4 references plus Act 2 plus Aleph models is a superb trio for teams. At ImagineArt, our product managers tested Runway to generate motion visuals, and we created mind-blowing explainers with performance animation. For background, Runway's strengths already lie in realism, motion control, and storytelling. That's why it's great for creating product-in-use scenarios. Upload your pretty brand ambassador's pic, upload a normal product demo video, and boom, and some strong prompt. You get a polished, publishing-ready output without manual masking, inpainting, or even background replacement. But Runway doesn't provide a full marketing workflow layer yet. There's no central brand kit, no structured collaboration tools, and limited template-based automation. That means while it's great for video generation, teams will still need other platforms to handle images, mockups, and campaign workflows. For marketing departments that prioritize visual storytelling and video-heavy campaigns, Runway is a powerful choice. But for holistic creative operations, it works best alongside broader creative suites like ImagineArt. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.